Ooh, what's this? Ooh, circuitry. Wow, isn't that nice?
Wait, it had a
Wait a
COD?
minute. There's
Really?
another tube. Where does that go? It's the colon tube.
The colon tube. Ooh,
Now,
maybe we don't call it that, though.
What do you, Jason?
I'm just looking.
Previously on TWiT. Hands-on tech.
I had the opportunity to get my hands on and play with an amazing camera. Let me tell you why this camera is $6,500. And no, you're probably not going to buy it. You still want to know what's going on with this camera. It's pretty daggum cool.
Smart Tech Today.
Matthew Casanelli and I are finally doing the interview we've been promising you. Yes, we talked to Jonathan Hui, who is the principal engineer at Google and the VP of technology at the Thread Group.
Mac Break Weekly.
Hello, Alex Lindsay from, oh my God, may the 4th be with you, Rumsleg.
I was working at ILM, and occasionally, when you need extras, there's no reason to hire extras at ILM. So I was picked because because it looked like I would probably fit into the given suit. On the 10th anniversary, they released a new set of action figures.
Oh no.
There it is.
That's
There
it. That's right. That's Alex Lindsay.
So
So that
I
means
have
you're
my own
canon,
action figure.
right? You are canon.
TWiT. This is the way.